This weekend on November 14th, we have Diwali and Bandi Chor Divas. This is a large event that usually causes families to celebrate. It's a moment of joy and celebration. But this year, we're asking everyone, pleading with everyone to make sure that we only have these celebrations within the confines of our own homes.
Many Canadians will be changing the way they celebrate Diwali this year as COVID-19 case numbers continue to surge across the country. Medical experts and government officials are recommending people stay home, reduce their in-person interactions, and meet with extended family members online to help curb the spread of the virus. With BC, Ontario, and other regions in the country experiencing a second wave triggered by large Thanksgiving and Halloween gatherings, Councillor Singh is concerned that Diwali celebrations could push case numbers even higher.
And I know how important Diwali and Bandi Chor Divas and Deepavali is for our community here. And that's why as politicians, elected officials, Peel Public Health, they're really trying to get the message out that do not do social gatherings.
Situations like holiday celebrations do account for some outbreaks, which is why BC Provincial Health Officer Dr. Bonnie Henry has placed a 2-week ban on social gatherings for the Vancouver Coastal and Fraser Health regions.
We cannot be celebrating in large groups for Diwali this year. The importance of, the light, and for me, Diwali is going from darkness to light, and we need to use that metaphor to say, how can we do this remotely and support our community to see that there is going to be light, but it's not right now.
Multiple COVID-19 outbreaks have already been reported at temples and other religious gathering spaces across the GTA, with Peel Public Health confirming another at Brampton Sikh Heritage Centre just this week.
We do know that faith and religion is a very important part of our residents' lives, but we also know from the data that we've had no less than 50 case investigations and exposures that have been linked to a place of worship, either when an individual who was sick attended a religious ceremony and subsequently transmitted on to someone else, or where we have investigated someone and investigating someone who tested positive, and the only acquisition place that they could have gone in from was a place of worship.
Many religious leaders are urging people to pay their respects virtually this year, a message supported by other government organizations as well.
Please stay home. Be safe. We have our online TV channel. We have our online radio program, 24 hours. So people can join the prayers online.
Whether you're participating in prayers, putting up divas and lights, enjoying delicacies, or exchanging gifts, rethink the way you celebrate and make new traditions to keep everyone safe from the risk of COVID-19.
No matter how you choose to celebrate this weekend, stay safe and happy Diwali.